Okay, my correct people, I don't come back again with another wonderful news. Now, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you watch my video. Today, my people are going to talk about KC. KC don't land for Turkey airport. Go see his family. His family was so happy to see their father. Anyway, my people are going to leave now. Make una watch this video. But before I leave una beg, make una subscribe, like and share. And put on your notification bell so that anytime I upload my video, you go be the first to be notified. Okay, my people, I go leave una now. Make una watch this video. And make una also leave una comment down below. As una do so, God bless you. Okay, my people, I go leave una now, make una wash.
Staring at the camera. The king. Baby king.
What is the chair here? That is
Okay.
it. Where?
Don't worry, we put it on.
When this thing close?
Baby boy. Baby boy.
Look at the stars.
The king. Yeah, you're pacifier every time you yell.
Daddy? The king. My friend's Daddy?
I said it. So funny. Yo, see my wonderful kids. I miss you guys so much. Yo.